Today, I'm going to walk you through how to add a board admin to a Jira board in a company-managed project. Whether you're onboarding a new team member, sharing management responsibilities, or just need a backup admin, by the end of this video, you'll be able to quickly and confidently add administrators to any Jira board you manage. Let's dive right in and make your workflow smoother. First, you'll want to navigate to the board where you need to add a new admin. Open up your Jira instance and head directly to the board in question. It's important to make sure you're starting from the right place. Otherwise, all the changes you make will apply to the wrong board. If your organization handles multiple boards, double-check you've opened the correct one. You know you're in the right spot when you can see all relevant issues, sprints, or columns your team typically uses. While you're on your board, look at the very top right corner of your screen. You should see an icon, usually resembling 3 dots or lines. That's your More Actions menu. Give that a click. If you don't see this menu right away, don't worry. Sometimes it's hidden behind a small drop-down, depending on your Jira's theme or version. Clicking this menu unlocks a bunch of advanced settings, so it's a powerful little button to know. From here, you'll see a drop-down appear. Look for the option labeled either Board Settings or, in some versions, Configure Board. Select this option. This step takes you behind the scenes of your board, where you're able to adjust all sorts of configurations, not just the admin list. It's kind of like popping the hood of a car. There are a lot of buttons and switches, but today we're focusing on access control. Next, in the Settings menu, look for the field or section called Administrators. Depending on your Jira version, it might simply show names already listed, or you'll see a little pencil or edit icon beside it. Go ahead and click this area or the pencil icon. This is where you can see who currently has admin rights, and it gives you access to modify the list. Think of administrators as co-pilots who can help steer your workboard. They'll have a lot of power, so be mindful about whom you add. Now, to add a new admin, simply start typing the name of the user or group you'd like to add. Jira is pretty smart here. It will begin suggesting users as soon as you type the first couple of letters. This is especially helpful if your organization is on the larger side. You don't have to remember the exact spelling of someone's username. Take a moment here to make sure you select the correct person or group, since admins can change workflows, permissions, and more. If you're unsure, it's worth double-checking with your team. After you've selected all the new admins you wish to add, you just need to save your changes. To do this, you can press the Enter key, or simply click away from the field. Jira will automatically save your updates. It's quick and easy, but I always like to take a second to confirm that the changes went through. You should see the new names listed, which is your visual confirmation that everything is set. And there you have it. You've just added a board admin to your Jira board. Whether you're empowering a teammate or handing off responsibilities, this process keeps your projects organized and secure. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or got stuck on a particular step, leave a comment below. I'm always happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell, because I've got more practical Jira tutorials coming your way. Thanks for watching, and good luck with all your Jira projects.